pretty close. Hey, welcome back to the Sawmill, guys. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft. And before we get going today, if you could do me a favor and give this a like, a comment on it if you enjoy the video, and please subscribe to the channel. We're trying to put out videos more often. If I'm working on the mill, I'm trying to film it up. So if you don't mind, please do that. And if you like the content. Today I have a white pine on here. I thought I already did this intro once. I seem to do this a lot. I didn't hit record. So we're gonna get going again on this. I already cut the first slab off and my blade's a little dull. So I just put a freshly sharpened blade on it. It's pretty rough shape still, this blade, but hopefully we'll get through this. I need some special dimension lumber for a project I'm doing. I need 1.5 by 3. Now this Frontier scale doesn't have 12/4 scale. It has 6 and 8/4, 4/4 and 3/4, and 9/8 actually. But it doesn't have 12/4. So I'm just going to use the scale, the regular scale, and just crank down 3 inches each time. I'm going to lose the kerf of the blade. So I'm should end up with 2 7/8, somewhere around there, by 1.5 inches. And that I'm going to turn this whole thing into. I need them for a project that I need to keep lightweight, and regular 2x4s will be a little heavy. Now this is a white pine at 16 inches on that big end, 17 inches east and west. It was 19 inches north and south, or vertical, I'm sorry. East and west, up and down vertical is 19 inches. It does have a little bow to it. This bunk right here is up about 1.5 inches, so I can go all the way through it. But it will be fine. The centers are actually really close. They're about 1/2 inch, so I'm not going to worry about adjusting anything. I'm just going to slab this. I'm going to, like I said, I'm going to run them into 3-inch pieces, 3-inch cants, and then I'll turn them up and cut my 1.5 inches off them and see how many we get. So I got one more flitch to get off of this. So let's get warm today. Supposed to be back in the 90s. We had rain this morning. It's partly cloudy right now. I guess it's probably partly sunny, but it's going to get hot and humid. And so we're going to get this going. It's 11 o'clock in the morning. I get another late start. That happens in the summertime. If you would have saw what I did the first time though, as I cut this slab off, I left one of the log dogs sticking out of a bunk. This bunk right, this bunk right here. And as the carriage came down, it hit that log dog and knocked my carriage off. So I did get her back on. Everything seems to be going good. And if you can do me a favor, keep an eye on that chute. I want to see how that does. Right now, it just kind of blows it everywhere, and I'm trying to get it to go straight down more. It comes over here, it comes over that, goes way out there. So I'm going to try to get it straight down. I see some of the wood misers, they have a nice tube, so I'm going to give that a try. Another thing I would eventually like to do is I want to put a piece of weather strip in here. I know some guys talk about putting holes in here. I don't like the wood falling down onto my log every single time. It just piles up right there. But it does, we do get a pile on here in the Frontier sawmills. I'm not sure how to remedy that, but I'm going to get this going. It's already been warmed up. Like I said, I've already cut once. I'll get my radio going, my music on, and we will get to a milling. One of the problems with these Frontiers, I have the pull start. With it all the way in the up position, or even halfway up, you know, the cord goes up on an angle. Well, you can't get to that angle. So what I do is I pull it almost straight down. It's kind of a pain, but they're easy starters. Electric start next time. If I ever upgrade this engine, it'll be electric start. I have the 13.5 horse. Maybe an 18 horse would be fun. All right, guys, we did well. We have 6 nominal 2x4s, 1.5 by 3.5, 6 of those. We ended up with 23 by 1.5. We'll call them 2x3s. Maybe nominal 2x, it wouldn't even quite be nominal 2x3s. We ended up with 7 1x3s and 1 2x4 with lots of waning on it. So I think we did pretty good on that log. And these are all going to go in a project. The reason we needed them smaller, I'm just trying to cut down some weight. They're going on a trailer. But anyhow, that will do it, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you at the sawmill next time. Take care.